In this video, I will show you how to simply delete large files from your Google Drive on your phone. Open up your Google Drive app. Go ahead and click on this three slider. Click on your storage. Then scroll down right here. Click on clean up space. Then scroll down right here. Click on large drive files. Then here you go. All the large files you have in your Google Drive is going to be shown right here. And the next thing you want to do is to review and select any large file you want to delete from your Google Drive. For instance, if I decide to remove this particular large file right here, select them right here, you can see. So you can select as many as possible large file you have in right here. So I can decide to select all these or slide this way and see them as the case may be. Then from the preview right here, I can select as many as possible right here. So at the time of making this video, I select about 4 different large files right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to simply go ahead and click on delete. Delete 5 drive items. Go ahead and click on I understand that delete item can't be recovered. Next thing you want to do is to simply go ahead and click on permanently delete. You clean up to 396.45 megabytes. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on done. So you can review and delete as many as possible large files from your drive. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.